Greetings everyone. I want to show you today 7 tools every nail technician needs within the reach of their hand. Let's get started. Alright, so here in my little caddy, I've combined 7 tools that you literally have to have within arm's reach. Well, hand's reach. Okay? You cannot work in your nail station without these tools. I personally cannot. Alright. Tool number 1, a manicuring brush. Yeah, but one that actually you can wear. Like so. This is going to save you so much time when you're working on a client, you're cleaning up again, you're doing a wet cleanup with your alcohol. I mean, you're not having to pick up a tool. The convenience and the efficiency of wearing your nail brush is going to save you time and it's going to make you money. So I have this one here by Biosculpture. It's a quality brush and it lasts you months. So as long as you keep it out of your sanitizer or your disinfectant, it will last you a very long time. So this one's about Biosculpture and it's the only one that really fits on my hand, so thought I should share that with you. My tool number 2 you need is a nipper, not necessarily a cuticle nipper, but I'll call it a nail art or a tool nipper, where if you are working on nail art and need to cut something, or if you are putting nail tips on your client and you need to nip just like a tiny bit of a nail tip, or you made form extensions and you need to clip a little bit of the cure gel off, you never want to use your sharpened nippers for the cuticle to do those type of little trims here and there. You want to use a nipper that's old, right? Or in this case, I have OPI's Acu Nip Plus, and this is their tool nipper. I believe they designed this nipper specifically for the cutting or trimming of anything that's not cuticle, and anything that's not dry skin. Okay, so keep that in mind. You always want to have a dull nipper. I'm trying to refrain from using the word cuticle here. All right, tool number 3. You know, if you're a nail technician, you need a French manicure brush or a French nail brush. And the French nail brush, what it does is clean around your cuticle, right? But what makes it so special is really the cut of it, right? It's rounded, it's usually firm, and you're usually really quickly able to like dip it into your acetone and clean anything, right? Any mistakes. Or you can take your alcohol if you're working on a gel, right? And then just clean that up. So tool number 3, it's a French cleaning brush. Tool number 4, just nippers. You never know when you need to remove that pesky little lint, right, off of the gel, or you need to pick up a charm or rearrange on crystal, anything. What are these? Nippers are, these are body tools. Here we go. Body tools is what the company that I'm using, but I'm only using it so I can match like my OPI. But anyways, you definitely need a picking tool. Okay, tool number, what are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tool number 5, you need a pick of some sort to kind of help your French cleaning brush. This one that I have here is also by Biosculpture, and it's the only company that I know that carries such a nifty, useful thing. It's a metal pick, so you don't have to worry about getting like a wood pick and constantly using and reusing them, and your station looking kind of gross. Like your client's like, what is a toothpick doing on your table? Yeah, kind of random. So this is very professional. This is by Biosculpture. You can barely see their name there, and it's really cool. It's not sharp like a needle by no means, and it's really for those times, or if you don't like to use the French cleaning brush, maybe you think it's unsanitary. I know that a lot of the Japanese nail techs don't really want you to use this type of tool for cleaning, so this is where this comes really handy. And so if you get any color gel and then clear gel, and you just want to take something really thin to clean that up, this metal pick is really useful for that. And again, you'll just kind of go in there and clean. And they also offer this part here. So again, if you need to, you know, push back anything, clean up anything, really nifty tool. Okay, so keep that in mind there. Tool number 6, I believe we're on. 2, 4, 5, 6, yes. So if you're a gel nail technician, you'll definitely need this. Cannot work without this. Don't use a pick, and don't use this guy either to stir your gel, because it's really hard to remove gel off of a round spatula. It's not really a spatula, right? It's a round material. You want to use a flat spatula type tool in order to stir your gel, right? Get all that color mix. So if you're a gel nail technician, this is your BFF. Last tool I cannot live without is you're like, what's that? A tiara, crown? It's basically what do you call it? A brush holder. But I get kind of creative, and I got this idea from a Japanese nail artist by the name of Juriko, I believe. Juriko from Jelly Pop. This is not from her, but I've bought her little crown brush holder. So it's just a little crown, and all you do, you work with it. You just put your brush there, your tools there, and it holds obviously your gel brushes. This is not a gel brush, but if you were using your gel brush, right, it keeps them from touching and getting everything sticky. So this is such a really cute, cool idea that I got from, again, I believe her name is Juriko, from Jelly Pop, jellypop.com. And it's just a brush holder, but any brush holder is going to be really, really helpful. Do not work without a brush holder if you're a gel technician or any technician. That is a big no-no. So there you have it. Those are my 7 tools that every nail technician, especially a gel nail technician, needs at their table. Hope you enjoyed that. See you in our next video. Like this video, comment, suggest, and subscribe to our channel.